A quick and professional method to remove freckles in Photoshop. No damage to skin texture and completely natural results. See how we do it in just a few simple steps. Removing freckles from these types of images is really challenging and interesting. In the next tutorial, I'll definitely show you how to remove these darker freckles on such photos. Now, take a look at the before and after. I'd be happy if this tutorial was helpful for you. See you in the next tutorial. Good luck!
Learning graphics with every color and shape. Ideas graphics for you. A new step in every upload.